up, 3BC? Jim the Skunk Whisperer here, enjoying a Black Label Trading Company Killer Bee. Got the privilege to hang out with James Brown a little bit ago. So we're going to talk about motorcycle safety and maintenance. So, not one of my bikes. Friend's going to be picking it up. It's about 10 years old, only has about 5,000 miles on it, which is actually part of the problem. Don't think the bike's had regular maintenance on it. First off, Tenny came back for a minute. Say hi, Tenny. Hi. He's going to hang out, try to help me get this bike going before it goes. So when a bike sits, a lot of things can go happen. Everything from liquids, brakes. The tires look in great condition, but they're dry rotted. But here's the real one. And why, even though this has a clutch safety for put it in gear, always put it in gear with the brake on. So I went to go move this thing this morning. You gotta have the clutch in to start it. It's a Suzuki Boulevard, so it's one of the safety features. Kickstand up is another shut-off feature. But watch what happens when I go to put it in gear with the clutch slowly depressed. So I've got the front brake on it. That's the key to this message. Nothing. Luckily, I always use the front brake. Guys, safety, safety, safety. Now it's becoming fall. There's leaves on the ground. There's people, one, looking at the leaves changing. Leaves are extremely slick on the streets. Maintenance your bikes. 5,000 miles. The bike has probably half its value in maintenance that needs to be done. And while you're doing some maintenance, man, this Killer Bee from Black Label, mwah! James Brown, you did it again. I really enjoy this. Full-bodied stick, real pretty on the band. Safety, like, follow. We'll see you soon.